making every scene tight. The video's a journey, a culinary flight. Bugs in his corner with the Colonel delight, adding core to the mix with all of his might. A genius with flavors, his creation so sweet. Bronx corn dishes, always a treat. The taste tester lady, she's got the say. Is it ballin' or fallin'? She'll decide today. With every bite she takes, her palate's keen. The ultimate judge in his cooking scene. Smoking, grilling, and chilling, the fire's always high. From smoky pulled pork to grilled apple pie, every recipe crafted with love and care. The taste of barbecue beyond compare. We marinate based, grilled to perfection. Each dish a testament to culinary perfection. Flavors so bold, you'll savor each bite. Smoking, grilling,
I have fire on both sides going. I'll need this for braising the oxtail later. We're doing oxtails. I've never done them. I'm trying it. And a pork shoulder. Pork shoulders on, along with the oxtails. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, this is what I do over here when I'm smoking. I put a board on top. Put this plate I brought home from work in front. I got some cherry wood in there for smoke. We're on our way. Alright, I got my Dutch oven. This is what's going in it to make the braising stock. Obviously onion, carrot, celery. That is beef tallow I made. That is a little bit of beef base, steak seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Alright, they're going good. Getting some color. Fire going over here. My sidekick Anakin is apparently hunting. Anakin, what's you doing, girl? Okay, I got the carrots, onions, and celery in. See in the center, I got some beef tallow. I was originally going to use oil and realized I spent a whole day making beef tallow. So it's going to go on the, I'm going to hang it over the fire, melt that down, kind of cook these down a little bit, and then I will make the stock.
Judge in his cooking scene. Smoking, grilling, and chilling, the fire's always high. From smoky pulled pork to grilled apple pie, every recipe crafted with love and care. The taste of barbecue beyond compare. We marinate base, grilled to perfection.
Braising liquid is in, and I'm getting ready to put the oxtails in. Pork shoulder looking good. Oxtails are in. Quick update. Oxtails are braising. Pork shoulders looking good. Once it gets to a temperature of 145, 150, it'll go in a pan, some broth and some veggies, and then I'm just going to finish it in the oven. Instead of wasting firewood. Pork shoulder or oxtails are still going. Braising nicely. And the pork shoulders ready to get wrapped. Okay, pork shoulder is in a pan. I have some beef tallow, a few carrots, celery, and onions. It's not required for pork shoulder, but that's how I like doing it. Oxtails are going. And this is my son Jackson. He has done this a few times. His nickname is Bug, so we have called this Bug's Corner, and we are reintroducing it to our videos. Would you like to say anything on behalf of Smoking, Grilling, and Chilling?
I say, corn is great. Shout out to Canucks. And subscribe to SGC.
Nice. He is our official corn husker. Quite the pro. Alright, they have reached an eternal temperature of 203, so I am pulling them off. I'm going to take them out of here, put them on the cutting board, let them rest, and then give them a try.